This is the practice area for the task for 2.6. So before you go and watch this video, please make sure you've completed A and B. This is where you're just going to check your answers once you are done completing it. So please pause the video now and come back and unpause it when you are ready to check your answers. Now you can go ahead and check your answers. In letter A here, I created a table with some values, so -2 and 20, -1 and 10, 0, 5, 1, 2.5, 2, 1.25, and 3.625. And the more points you have, the better it's going to be in order to sketch your graph. So I plotted those points over here on my graph, and then I also plotted that asymptote to know that I'm not going to be crossing over that x-axis. Then we can move to letter B. In letter B, I found 4 good points that I could plot on my graph. I have the point -2 and 0.444. It was repeating, but I just approximated it here. -1 and 1.333, again repeating, but I approximated it. The 0.04 and the 0.112. I plotted those points on my graph. I also have my asymptote.